Hey guys, it's Mike with All American down in Savannah, and it's busy at my house today, but I wanted to do a wiring diagram walkthrough real quick on the softwash pump. Let's check it out. So everybody is working this morning at my house, which isn't good because that means I'm not making any money. But I got Mac doing my deck. He's doing the sidewalk because he's a nice guy. And it's dirty. Thank you, Mac.
You're welcome.
And then, of course, we've got the landscape crew getting it done this morning. There's Big Mike. Not sure where the mower is, but that's not what we're here to talk about. Softwash unit. But more specifically, I wanted to talk about the wiring of a roof pump or a softwash system. It's gotten a little quieter. The guys have headed out to make us some money, but this really couldn't be an easier wiring system process. We start with 10 gauge negative and positive wiring. We do this because we don't want the pump or anything to get overheated, thus burning out the wire. So the thicker the gauge, the better. The black lead on your pump will be connected to a black 10 gauge wire, which will then go and hook up to the negative side of your battery. Make sure all of your connections are tight and waterproof if possible. The red side of the pump, that wire that comes out of that pump, connect that to the terminal on your toggle switch. On the other terminal of that toggle switch, you're going to go with another red wire, preferably a 10 gauge, of course, into an inline 30 amp fuse. This is just a little added insurance that nothing gets fried. That fuse will then go over to the positive side of the battery. And right there, that's it. You now have a fully functional, fully operational, ready to make you some money softwash roof pump system that should be pretty infallible. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully it helped, maybe answered a couple questions about wiring up the roof wash or the softwash pump that you've got. If you've got any questions, just leave a comment below. Definitely give us a like, a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day. Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Hopefully it helped, maybe answered a couple questions about wiring up the roof wash or the softwash pump that you've got. If you've got any questions, just leave a comment below. Definitely give us a like, a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and have a great day.